Recently, I was given one of those home gyms with a cable system, the Weider Pro 9940 to be exact. Free just so happens to be my favorite price, so I jumped on it. But after investing hours of breaking it down at their place, loading it into a trailer, unloading it from the trailer, and reassembling at my place, I was disappointed in the feel of the equipment during exercises. There seems to be an excess of friction. After doing a little research, I found these home gyms have to be properly lubricated as part of a maintenance schedule, which is about every 1 to 3 months. My guess is this one's been sitting for a while and is bone dry. The main area to focus on for lubrication are the guide rods. The weights are sliding up and down on these rods, and without proper lubrication, it will catch or feel sticky. Another cause for this is they just need to be cleaned. Any dirt, dust, or grime buildup will cause it to feel sticky or catch as well. One product that is used to kill 2 birds, well actually 3 birds with the one stone, is the 3-in-1 multi-purpose oil. The 3-in-1 name implies it does 3 actions, which is cleans, lubes, and protects. So let's apply that. I found the best way to do that is apply it to different areas on the pole and let it drip down as far as possible. Then apply some to a rag and spread it in evenly. As you can tell from what we picked up on this rag, dirt may have been one of my main problems here. One other lubricant that comes highly recommended is something called Super Lube, which is a silicone-based lubricant. It comes in a spray can for easy use. I'll leave a link in the description for that. WD-40 also makes a silicone-based spray, so that's worth a try as well. After the first application, I can tell a big difference, but this one side here is still having a slight issue, so I want to apply some lube to the pulley. I saw another channel suggest this, and he had good results. Basically, apply the lube on the pulley, as shown here, and work it in by spinning it. Do this to both sides. After a few days of use, I can tell a huge difference. The 3-in-1 multi-purpose oil does the trick for helping keep your home gym running smooth. And oh yeah, I found out why this side's still a little bit wonky. It looks like the cable has a permanent bend in it, and as that curve hits the pulley, it kind of catches a little bit. So I may have to change the pulley out later, and if you're interested in seeing something like that, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.